All right, the court notes that Mr. Miskell is not present today. He was present for a prior hearing. He signed the paternity test order. He also did his DNA sample. DNA test results are on file that show that Mr. Miskell cannot be excluded as the biological father, and so we're prepared. We're ripe for default. Go ahead, Ms. Knight.
Yes, Your Honor. The state will call the mother Miss Robinson. Ma'am, will you state your name?
Amber Robinson,
And what's the name of your child on this case?
Zion Robinson, Miskell.
Okay. And DNA testing shows that Mr. Miskell cannot be excluded as the father's child, correct?
Correct.
And so one thing we're going to do today is establish that Mr. Miskell is your son's biological father. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Has there been any family violence in the last 2 years between you and Mr. Miskell?
Yes, ma'am.
When is the last time an incident occurred between you two?
February of last year.
Okay, and what happened?
I was choked and I was abused in front of his children with the help of his teenage twins, and he attacked my oldest son as well.
Okay. And were the police called out?
Yes, ma'am. Through Box Springs police, he was charged with 2 felony of choking and family violence and failure to let me call 911.
Okay. And is that case still pending or has it concluded?
No, it's still open.
Okay. Do you have any current protective orders with Mr. Miskell?
He has a bond condition, no contact with me or my oldest son. Um, it's got about 10 steps in it.
Okay. And are you requesting that your address and other contact information be marked as confidential in the order?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And have there been any other instances of family violence in the last 2 years between you and the father?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you requesting to be appointed as the sole managing conservator so you can make decisions for the child on your own?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you believe that's in your son's best interest?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's also because Mr. Miskell is not allowed to contact you currently, right?
Correct.
Okay. And are you in agreement to be the parent who can designate your son's primary residence with no geographic restriction, meaning you can live with him anywhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you okay with the father having standard possession schedule with your son?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And are you requesting that the drop-offs or the exchanges for his visits take place at Miss Piper Elizabeth's daycare in Dallas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What kind of health insurance coverage does your child have?
Medicaid.
Okay. Do you have any health insurance available through a private source at a reasonable cost?
No, ma'am. I haven't been able to work because I can't afford the daycare.
Okay. Do you know if Mr. Miskell is currently employed?
No, he receives VA benefits and child support for his other children.
Okay. Do you know if he's capable of holding at least a minimum wage job?
Yes, ma'am, he is.
Okay. And so we used minimum wage to calculate child support. Is it correct that he has three other minor children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And so we've calculated medical support at $28 per month and child support at $167 per month. Are you in agreement with the medical support amount?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you in agreement or disagreement with the child support amount?
Disagreement because he didn't show up intentionally to provide his VA benefits or his other income intentionally.
Okay. And what amount do you think child support should be set at?
I pay $100 weekly just for daycare alone. That doesn't even cover clothes or food. Like I'm just tired of being stagnant. I can't even tell you amount that a 2-year-old needs, and I haven't received anything, not even a cash app, a dollar or put this towards something or nothing like this. Is all intentional.
Okay, so you think the child support should be set higher than the 167?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And are you requesting retroactive child support today?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it correct that you and the father stopped living together after the family violence incident in 2024 February?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And since then, has he given you any support for your child?
No, ma'am.
So we've calculated retroactive child support since then, and that total amount comes out to $4,676. And are requesting he pay that balance at $100 per month beginning August 1st. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're requesting that the court costs from Dallas County be billed to Mr. Miskell. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And let's see. Is there anything else you want the court to know about your case?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I'll pass the witness.
All right, I'm granting the request that you made today, including a finding of family violence, sole managed conservatorship, non-disclosure is granted, no geographic restriction, standard visitation with the exchange location, medical support $28. I cannot raise child support. I don't know what his income is. He obviously isn't working, so the only thing he's getting is VA, which I don't know what that is. Could be less than minimum wage. We just don't know. And so I have to base it on what evidence we have, and we don't have any evidence of his income. So it's going to be 167 for child support. Back child support $4,676, payable at $100 a month. Court cost billed to him. The Attorney General's office will draft an order, put that in writing for me to sign, and email you a copy. And they can try to see what they can do to try to collect that money if there's any source, or VA will cooperate with that. You're done with court, Ms. Robinson. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.
Thank you.
The monthly gross income is $23,333. No union dues or medical insurance. The net income is $16,833.75, leaving monthly child support at $1,840.
It appears there was a temporary order in this case that made a finding of Mr. Ward's gross monthly resources to be $2,439 each month. Seems drastically lower than the current amount.
Again, Your Honor, I don't know how they came up with that number. And he's not here. And do you know where Mr. Ward lives?
With his mom.